This is exercise 2.4 using app-v programs, found in Lab 2 supporting desktop applications, part of supporting Windows 8.1 lab manual in preparation for exam 70-688, part of the Microsoft official academic course. So in this exercise, we're going to create an app-v program and then we're going to deploy it. The mindset behind this is that app-v allows you to run virtual applications, which are applications that run in an isolated environment on a computer. The approximate time for this lab is about 40 minutes, so we're going to get started by logging back into Windows 8A, although I still have it open from the last exercise. It is already logged in as Contoso/administrator. So we're going to click on our desktop icon and click on our File Explorer, and we're going to navigate to the RWDC and software folder. And we're going to right-click the DVD5 desktop optimization pack. Which is an ISO, and I may not have copied that to this yet. So I'm going to go into my live machine. It's going to be this one. So I'm going to do Control-C. Go to my network. And then go ahead and paste it. Oh yeah, it is. This is the optimization pack. So I'm going to right click and mount it. Okay, and then from here, we want to double click the launcher folder and then double click launcher. From here, we're going to click on Application Virtualization for Desktops. And then we're going to look for the app-v for the client, which is this. And then select Install. And then accept the license terms. And then Next. And then go ahead and click on the radio button that says I don't want to use Microsoft Update. And then Next. And then Install. I'll pause this video while we wait for the installation. Now we'll click on Close. And now we want to install the sequencer. Accept. Next. Install. Okay, now this says it's ready for use. If you're following along in your lab manual and you're required to do so, this is where you would complete your next screenshot. Now we'll go ahead and click on Close. And now it's time to sequence an application by performing the following steps. We're going to first reboot. I'm going to close this and reboot Windows 8A. I'll pause the video while we wait for this to reboot. And we're going to go ahead and log in as Contoso Administrator. And now we're going to do another search. Right click, search. Windows Defender. Go ahead and start it. Or left click. And we want to click on the Settings tab. And deselect Turn on Real-Time Protection. And then Save Changes. And then click on Cancel. And now we'll go ahead and close out of Windows Defender. Now we're going to go with Start. Search. Sequencer. We want to click Create a new virtual application package. Select Next. We're going to ignore this for now and click on Next. We'll accept the standard application as default and Next. And then we're going to browse. To the RWDC. Software. And then the PowerPoint viewer. And then open. And next. We're going to call this PowerPoint viewer. And here we're going to type in C:\program files /PowerPoint viewer and next. And then run, accept the license terms, and then continue. and then next, and install. And now OK, and select I am finished installing, and then next. Okay, we're going to go and select PowerPoint Viewer, and then Run Selected. Here we're going to click on Cancel because we don't necessarily need to open anything yet. And then click on Next. And then Next. Customize. And Next. Next. Yes. And then Next. And then Create. After you answer the question, where is the saved location of the package? If you're following along in the lab manual or you're one of my students, you're going to take a screenshot from here. And this is what you're going to submit with your assignment. And we're going to click on Close. And then close out of the application package. This is the end of this exercise, the end of this lab, and the end of this video.